Continuing the work on the rototiller, it's about time I started getting all the components back into the shape of a rototiller, so it'll take less space in my workshop at least. So for this video we're just going to paint the bits that need painting, and there are a couple of pieces that need some welding work, so yeah, you get to see that. Now, my original plan was to weld across the gaps created there. But then I found these pieces and I was contemplating welding them into place instead. My welding skills are below subpar, so getting across there would have been quite the challenge. I then kept looking at the damage, the wear and the tear. Like, the metal seemed torn across there. This is where I'm debating if I should just weld a full length there for some added strength, which is what I ended up doing, coming up shortly.
I think I've decided on welding lengths along the edges here. Just I found some 1 mil. I'll let me do that. So factory edge. Not that I trust it implicitly, but I trust it a lot more than my edge. Thumbs width. Sounds good to me.
This is me now debating if I should be lazy and just butt it up into the corner and make the soft bend at the back of the piece, or if I should go through the effort and actually bend the front corner as well, so that it will be stronger? Question mark. Now, I'm absolutely no welder at all. At best, I'm barely an amateur welder. But I feel like I've seen a video somewhere where they drilled holes in one of the pieces to put a weld in when it was butted up against the other piece, and that would create a better weld. Now, I did this to one of the pieces, as you'll see, but I forgot to do it on the other. Personally, I feel like the one without the extra holes drilled in worked better, but we'll see.
Permanent clamps or whatever, holding it in place now.
Now that the pieces are all prepared and ready for painting, I had two options. It was either get the something store brand or get the original color made. That's expensive. The color wasn't all too pretty. I would describe it as a sickly yellow-ish. Anyway, my color of choice ended up being red, and I'm surprised. But I came to the conclusion that it's almost a small farming tool, and in my mind, farming tools are red. A rototiller is also known as a two-wheel tractor, so it just made sense to me.